In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from Gmail the right way by deleting your Google account because Gmail is tied to your Google account itself. So if you want to fully stop using that Gmail address, this is the process you need to follow. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll also show you exactly what to look for before you confirm anything, so you don't get surprised by what happens next. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This will take you to your Google account settings where you can manage privacy, security, and account data. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account that uses the Gmail address you want to remove. If you're already signed in, just make sure it's the correct account before continuing. After you're inside your account dashboard, look at the left side or the main menu and click Data and Privacy. This is where Google keeps options related to your personal information, activity controls, and account management. Now scroll down until you find more options. Depending on your account layout, you may need to keep scrolling a little further to see the section that contains the deletion settings. Once you find it, click Delete your Google account. This is the important step because deleting your Google account will also remove access to Gmail and other Google services connected to that account. Before anything is permanently removed, Google will usually ask you to sign in again for security. If prompted, enter your password and complete the sign-in process. After that, take your time and read the warnings carefully. Google will explain what data, emails, files, and services may be lost if you continue. Make sure you understand everything before moving forward. You may also need to check a few required boxes to confirm that you've read the information and that you understand the consequences of deleting the account. These confirmations are there to make sure you don't accidentally remove something important. Once you've reviewed everything and you're sure you want to continue, click Delete Account. At that point, Google will begin the account deletion process and your Gmail address will no longer be available once the deletion is completed. Just remember, this is permanent, so only do this if you're absolutely sure you no longer need that account. If your goal was simply to stop getting emails from a specific sender, that would be a different process. But if you wanted to fully unsubscribe from Gmail by removing the account itself, this is the correct method. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and I'll see you in the next video.